Hello guys. Today it's my favorite topic. Why is spirituality important? Guys, no matter in whichever field you are in, in fact, you can be a student right now. You can be an employee or a business person. You may set goals. You, so, yeah, but I can challenge you. You may not have achieved all your goals, or it's not in your hands, right? You must have felt. Even Virat Kohli, he also fails in many of the innings in which he bats. So this proves that we all are humans, and there is someone up there whom we need to pray so that our results are fortunate. So, guys, just like we have chartered accountants who keep a track of our they keep accounts of our money and all. Uh, in the same way, there is law of karma, which keeps a track of our choices and our actions. And in the same way, we have gone government, which is the topmost, uh, which can be applied like to God. So the concepts are pretty similar, but God is there, guys. Now you can see there is a manufacturer for each and every product over here. It can be a bag over here, or my T-shirt, or a water bottle, or this table itself, or this mobile. So these are man-made products. There is a manufacturer, right? So how can there not be a manufacturer for such a big universe? I mean, not only this universe, but this beautiful world. There is proper. This Earth rotates continuously. There is sunlight, sunset happening at a very disciplined time, and in fact, so many things. There is oxygen. There is rain coming in. There is systematic seasons in every year. In now we are not controlling our intestine. That now I'll, uh, put out my gastric juice. Now I'll absorb the food. Now I'll put it in the large intestine. We are not doing anything. It's not in our control, right? In fact, we do not even have the sense to inhale or exhale. It's all automatically happening. We are not doing it consciously. Now I'm doing it, but usually in the day we are not doing it. So most of the things are not in our control, guys. Anyways, so in our apartments we need pipes, we need motors so that the water can pump up to the tank and all. But in the inside a coconut, the tree is so long, it's so big, but still it manages to put water inside a coconut. How is this happening, guys? This is a beautiful system which has been made by God. This is for sure. Now people must be, they must be absorbed into being ambitious, thinking like, if I achieve this, there's going to be a lot of happiness coming in. If I get a lot of success in life, then a lot of happiness will be coming my way. But that is not true, guys. If that would be true, why would so many Bollywood stars would be suiciding? In fact, so many IAS officers, now they have all the power, prestige, respect, money. They have a lot of success, but they suicided. In one case, there was one mother-in-law and his wife. They used to quarrel a lot, and he suicided due to that. One IAS officer was, you know, he was not feeling well continuously, so he suicided because of his bad health. So these news are actually a very big learning for all of us, guys. That success is not related. Happiness is not related to success. Even if you're so much concerned about your success, guys, you will only get that much amount of success which you are destined to receive. Whatever is there in your karma, you will receive it, provided you have to work a little bit, but not so much that you get so much absorbed in it. Just a matter of duty. That much of hard work should be done, and rest is all on the karmic thing. You do not have to get too much of absorbed into, if you like, if I'm going to work extra hard, I'm going to get extra money. No, that is not true. And guys, answer me this honestly. You can write your views in the comment section. But guys, this is a true question. Don't Wouldn't you guys be scared at the time of death if you do not even read the guidelines given by God to us? Yes, there are guidelines. You may be having your own guidelines according to your religion. So supposingly to your time of death is near, and wouldn't you regret if you on that day when you realize that, oh man, I haven't even read the scriptures of what, in whatever religion you are, and you haven't even followed them, and now when you're on your deathbed, you would be feeling, oh no man, I may be punished. So, can you please answer me in the comment section that you do not have this fear, or you will not have this fear in the future? But anyhow, I really hope you get some point in this video, and I hope you learned something out of this. Anyways, all the best.